Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bangalore Motor Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we are talking about the gear sensor issue of Apache RTR 200. If you are a proud owner of Apache RTR 200, then this video is for you guys. Now, as you can see in this video, if you are facing the same issue which I am showing it now, like when you are in neutral gear but it's showing like second and first, or sometime it may be like third, fourth, or fifth. So if you are facing an issue like this, then this video will be the complete solution for that. So stay tuned, watch the complete video. Let's begin. So let's begin with the process by removing the gear lever and the cap which is covered. To make this video short, this procedure I will skip now. You can check the procedure by clicking that I button where I posted the complete service video. There I showed each and every step, so you can follow that. So let's directly jump into the gear sensor. To get the access to the gear sensor, first front sprocket need to be removed. After that you can see that I am pointing to the two bolts which I need to remove. Once removed, then you will get the gear sensor out from its position. Once the gear sensor is out, you can see that due to oil deposits, due to that it is showing errors in gear shifting. So once you clean the oil residual, you can see that now clean the gear sensor thoroughly with the cloth, and the oil residual part where the oil sits, that part also need to be cleaned. And you can see that there is a ring kind of thing, so that you need to bump up little, so that will make the contact between the gear sensor and the internal parts. So once that makes the contact between gear sensor and the engine, you will get the reading on the speedometer. This is how it works. You need to clean that connecting pads, that's the contacting pads, with the screwdriver or the some sharp object. So here I am using screwdriver. Once cleaning is done, just insert the sensor back to its position. Once sensor is back to its place, then put the two bolts which you removed earlier as I am showing on this video, then tight it with a proper tool. So this completes the solution for the gear sensor issue which you are facing. So you can see the result now. There is no fluctuation, nothing. It's proper. Now it is in neutral, it's showing neutral. After solving this gear sensor issue, I rode my bike for a week and I clearly noticed that there is no issue with the gear sensor. Due to oil deposit, this occurs. Once the oil deposit is clear, then everything is fit and fine. If you find this video is informative, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So more videos are coming. Stay tuned.